If your mobile phone is doing the problem in charging, or your mobile phone's battery timing is decreasing. So no need to be worried, I will tell an easy way to solve this problem. No one knows that I will tell such a solution. Must see the video to the end and understand the way. If the wrong method will use, so the mobile phone can also be. Need to clean your mobile phone joke. Cleaning method I will tell you. Cleaning according to my instruction. Watch the video by the end. If the wrong method will use, so your mobile phone joke can also be broken. We'll clean up with more rough things so your mobile phone joke can be mad too bad. So you can sleep or use something like a shiny thin thing that came into the mobile phone jokes easily. Lightly boil the or lemo or acid and rub your mobile phone joke in the joke of your mobile phone and clean your mobile phone joke. Apply your mobile phone to charging. Now the charging of your mobile phone and the battery timing will expire. Watch the video.